always holding off of like buying FIGS because I'm like, okay, when I become a dentist, what am I gonna wear? But honestly, like, this is gonna help me do good in school now. Yeah, they have this new holiday collection out, and luckily it matched my school color, so I was like, rock it up. This is my first pair. I know I'm gonna buy more, but I just wanted to make sure that my sizing was okay. All right, so I ordered a small in the top and a small petite in the bottoms. I'm 5'2", I don't know how much I weigh. Bust is like 37, waist, ooh, 31. I can't put this on camera. Hips is about 41, so just in case for size reference, and I'll have it over here. So yeah, let's get into it. Sit down, how does this look? So yeah, so I got the color Moss and Caribbean Blue. So for my school, we can wear our shade and also like colors that are similar to it. And I felt like this was similar to it. But yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna try them on during the day. This is a top. It feels pretty tight. Honestly, I'm gonna compare them to my mandalas and my Janu, because I have those scrub brands, and I love mandala. Janu's okay, but I was looking for something more. If I'm gonna be wearing these scrubs every day for like hours at a time, I need to be obsessed, and they need to be comfortable and durable, and I like how FIGS, that's what they stand for. So yeah, it's gonna get chaotic in here, but we're just keeping it real. That's what happens when you do a try on video. It's not gonna be cute all the time. Underscrub because the weather's getting cold. I'm already feeling this is running a little bit tight. Honestly, the quality looks better than Mandala's Underscrub, but granted, this was like, what, a $50 top, so it better be better quality. Bottoms, I like, actually, I don't know if I like how they pair it with pink. Like, I'd rather have it be like another shade of Caribbean Blue or just Caribbean Blue. Like, why they have to put pink? Like, I didn't order pink scrubs, you know what I mean? So far the height looks okay. The length looks okay. I love the back pockets with the logo. I like that. There's so 2 pockets in the back, 1 pocket here, 2 pockets in the front. They're pretty good. I like the zipper. Let's investigate the pockets on the front top. I think I just got the basic one that only had 1 pocket top right here. I'm definitely gonna do a video reviewing or comparing and contrasting Mandala, Janu, and FIGS because, yeah. Now let's get down to the moss color. It's like a giving like army green type vibes. The orange is cute, but I guess that's their theme. Oh, okay. So those pants are a different fit. Those are like a jogger. This is like more of a straight pant. Yeah. So this is a high-waisted Yola petite. High-waisted Yola petite. Like I said, I got this in a small petite. Okay, this one has more. I kind of like the pocketing on this. Being in dental school, the pockets come in handy. For sure, for sure. And I think I got the same basic top. That's only 1 top. I don't really like putting pockets on my chest. If y'all can see that, I'm sorry. This is a reality. Yeah, okay. And this top looks bigger. What do y'all think? I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna try it on, and I'm gonna let y'all know my thoughts. And in my next video, I'm gonna compare it to my other scrub brands that I wear. So right off the bat, y'all, right off the bat, I'm thinking, this is very fitted. The sizing is very fitted, and I don't think I would have gone wrong with the medium. Even though they are petite, I feel like I'm gonna eventually flood in these. And the bottoms, they seem a little bit tight. Mind you, I'm at a lower weight and I normally lift, so when I lift, my bottom size is a little bit more bigger than this, and it's still kind of tight right now. And I feel like I'm flooding already. The top, it's a bit tight at the boobie area, and mind you, I'm a 37, 36 bust. It's a little tight there, and when I lift my hands up, it's a little tight. So I do think I'm gonna get a medium in this. I'm not gonna lie to you, because I'm gonna wear it for, you know, years, and it's gonna go through the wash, and my size is gonna change. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, but the quality, like the fit, it's comfortable. I kind of like the fabric a little bit better than Mandala. I'll have to compare it again, but just off the sizing that I ordered right now, I feel like this is just too small. Like if I were to put my shoes on, this is just, I feel like it's not, I don't know. Let me tuck it in, because we do wear our scrubs tucked. Let me tuck it in. Yeah, like this is tight. Like for the money I spend, this area is tight. Like it's cute, don't get me wrong. But I don't know if y'all can see or how close I am to the thingy, but it's just, I love the fit. Don't get me wrong, I love the fit, I love the color. All of that is just a little bit too long. I mean, too small for me. Okay, let's do a sit down test, okay? Yeah, y'all can tell it's too tight because look at this. It's like it's gonna bust, but the quality of this fabric is really good. I think it's a good quality and I deserve to get it in a bigger size. Alright y'all, so this is the Caribbean blue set, and I put the underscrub on first just so I can get that look, because sometimes I really don't like wearing a scrub top to class. I'd actually want to wear a regular, you know, top to class when you're not really in lab or in clinic. So this is honestly something that I wear all the time. Let me show the details. I don't know if it can capture that, but like get into the details. Like the quality of this is so much better than the one that I have from Mandala. Granted, the one from Mandala is like $14 and this is like 50 something. Like this is gonna keep me warmer. It's stretchier despite it being a small. Like it's stretchy. I love this. I'm gonna keep this top. Like it's worth it. I'm gonna order more colors. But for the bottoms, this pink is actually growing on me. I can't lie to y'all, the pink is growing on me. I like it. I think because they're joggers, it makes more sense how it's petite and it doesn't really give the flooded appearance versus the straight or the yoga pant ones. It gave a flooded appearance being petite. It's still a little tight in the coochie area. I got the booty, so yeah, it's definitely gonna do me justice to get a medium, because just for comfortability, for it to last, like if you sit down, like it's still comfortable, but I still feel some tension here. You can even see it, and it's like there's no reason to suffer. Just to say I'm a small, I'm a medium petite. But yeah, I'm loving it, and I put my shoes on so I can like see me work. But yeah, I'm gonna put the scrub top over it, and we can get that look. So I'll be right back. Yeah. This is cute. I am messing with it. I am vibing with this. So in my previous clips, I expressed how the sizes were a bit too small, and I did exchange them. The process was very smooth. I was able to return them and get them back within a week. Like everything was a good process actually. So yeah, I got a medium and everything. So everything you're gonna see me top to bottom is gonna be a medium. And this is a Caribbean blue in medium, y'all. The height of the pants, or the length of the pants, is still kind of flooding. Like it's really, really petite. But honestly, I feel much more comfortable in this medium. Like I feel like I can sit down. I feel like I can really sit down. It is not too tight. I feel like I can move around, lift my hands up, you know, do what I gotta do, and I still feel secure. I still feel comfortable. So I definitely would get a size medium if you're my measurements. Like, Even though I'm a size small in Janu and Mandala, I'm definitely a medium in FIGS. So I actually got this top in the style, it's the, I forgot the name of it, the Rafaela scrub top. In medium, wait, did I get this in medium too? I did, but this is a bit bigger, so I could have probably gotten away with a small, but I'm gonna show you how a medium looks instead. Right, so this is how the Rafaela, I don't know how to say it, Rafaela top looks like. I didn't tuck it in just so y'all could see like its fit on its own. It's very comfortable, honestly, like it's super comfortable. It's very, very comfortable, very freeing. Yeah, I felt the girl boss in this top. Like, so it might not be my favorite tucked in, but that could also be because it's in a medium and it's a little bit oversized for me, being a medium. But I love it. It's soft. It's easy to put on, easy to take off. But let's get to the next color. Hides the buttons. Like, they hide the button for you. So even if I were to have it buttoned up, like, wait, nuh-uh. Can y'all see that? It says just saving lives, no big deal. What? They gotta let us know what we got on the inside. That's crazy. What else we got hiding for us? But yeah, yeah, this is how it looks. Remember, these are like the boot cut pants or the yoga pants, so it's not a skinny leg. I tried it on with a different pair of shoes. I feel like this looks like super baggy. It's not giving your traditional scrubs at all. It is a vibe, don't get me wrong. It looks professional, don't get me wrong. But let me tuck it in and see what we're working with. Shoes, it adds like an inch or two. So I may exchange it for a regular small. Well, like maybe I'm not petite as I thought, but I'm literally 5'2". No, I don't know how to feel about this. I don't know how I'm feeling about this at all. I don't know. Like, it's cute, it's different, it's a little vibe or whatever. But actually, it's not bad. Like, if I see myself walking down the street, I'm like, she's a cute doctor or cute dental student. Like, I don't know. Okay, it's not bad. I'm still feeling like the length is a little bit short for me, but that's okay. This is very comfortable. Like, I would not mind wearing this from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. I would not, because it's super comfortable, flexible, the fabric is good, but y'all knew that already, it's FIGS. I have a Columbia jacket, I have a North Face jacket. I was debating between getting the Patagonia. Like, I really want a Patagonia, like in the gray one. I'm still gonna get it, but I was like, let me get a FIGS jacket just in case, because it was on sale. So I got a FIGS jacket, and I'm thinking about getting a different color now because literally all my jackets are black. Like, all my good quality jackets are black because I'm like, I can wear it every day. But I was thinking to get like a different color. I'm not gonna lie, this is a different material than I expected. And this is in a medium as well, and it looks small. I feel like I'm just rambling here. Ooh, y'all, the quality is good. I love how like the zipper has like a little closet. Okay, it seems soft, there's good pockets. Oh wow, this is a very soft jacket. Oh my goodness, this is a really good jacket. Puts it on for 2 seconds. I'll burn it up. For a medium, I'm kind of scared. I should have got a large then. This is a medium, but this fits perfectly. Like, this is a really good jacket, y'all. I know I just put it on, but like, in like a nude color, like a brown or a gray. This color was very limited for some reason, but I really like it. But I literally have a North Face jacket that looks just like this. I don't know why I put it. But no, if you're looking to buy FIGS jacket, just get it. Even scrub jacket, I've seen it in person, just get it. Like, this is official. Like, should I move to Boston? Yeah, my ears are hot mess in this video. I apologize. But yeah, that's it for the FIGS try on haul, y'all. But thank y'all so much for watching. I hope this was useful, and like I said, please stay tuned. I'm most likely gonna have another video comparing FIGS, Mandala, and Underscrubs in one video. The video I wish I needed when I was looking for scrubs and starting dental school. But yes, I hope this video was helpful. I'm gonna leave the links to all the scrubs I bought, and I'll see if I can get a code for y'all. I'm gonna need a code too for my next order because this stuff is expensive as a student, but they do have a 15% student discount. But I'm gonna get y'all a code that's more than 15. I think I can get like the code I used last time, I don't remember, but I'm gonna get y'all a code that's more than 15. I got y'all. Yes, thank you for watching.